our topic is navigating generative AI with AI literacy instruction in academic libraries today. First, let me introduce myself. I'm working at the Georgia Southern University Libraries. I'm the liaison librarian for the departments for electronical and computer engineering, computer science, information systems and analysis, and information technology. I got my MIS degree from the University of Southern Mississippi.
I am Kay Coates, the Information Studies Librarian, responsible for liaison areas, Africana Studies, and the College of Education, departments curriculum, foundations, reading, elementary and special education, leadership, technology, and human development, middle grade and secondary education. I received my MLS from Loughborough University in the UK.
Here is the table of contents. We are going to cover our topics as follows. Oops. Okay. First, we're trying to review the rise of generative AI waves. Since November 30th, 22nd, waves of generative AI tools have been emerging in the marketplace. In the face of rapid growth of generative AI, however, different colleges and universities in the United States are still setting up the various AI policies and regulations for faculty and students. So we are still trying to exploring how to promote AI literacy instruction across the academic landscape.
No, the impact of just trying to promote artificial intelligence literacy among our stakeholders, the impacts has had some issues regarding academic integrity. Given artificial intelligence and generative AI and what it is, we have issues regarding academic dishonesty and plagiarism. We have to decide how we direct students and help them to understand that there are challenges, and these challenges has us to rethink what we consider as academic dishonesty. We have issues with equity and unfair competition. And when it comes to students, we're thinking about the over-reliance on AI use, which could impact their independent thinking and critical thinking skills. Again, because some students use AI-powered tutors, it can help them, but then we have to give them guidance because it could enhance learning opportunities, it can improve their learning efficiencies, and it could help them optimize brainstorming. But we have to make sure that we tell them that there's a difference when you use generative AI tools, because it's not a wizard, but they're just tools that assist us to do what we do much better.
Next, we are going to introduce the way we are promoting the AI literacy at the Georgia Southern University Libraries here. In the past, reference and instruction librarians always select to promote information literacy as follows. First, they would like to introduce library resources available. They try to teach students how to use different web search engines like Google or Google Scholar to search scholarly sources available. Also, they try to teach students how to use a keyword combined with the Boolean operators to enhance their search result. Also, they try to show students how to get used to the traditional graphic user interface. It means that you have to input, as a user, you have to input your search topics or keywords inside the information search bar before you click the search button. Okay. Oh, now we are trying to focus the difference between AI-powered web search and the traditional library information search. It means you, except for the regular introduction to show students how to use library databases, especially for comprehensive search or discovery search. We show students how to use Boolean operators. Then we try to introduce AI, generative AI tools like I say Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, or OpenAI ChatGPT. We try to show students how to use natural languages, like say just questions, to query the answer they need. In the traditional web search, it means you have to type, keywords or topics instead of using natural languages. It means if you ask a question, say, what's the definition for AI? Usually, traditional web search engine like a Google or Google Scholar won't be able to give you the direct answers. Instead, you have to seek your own answer from the list of resources generated by traditional web search engines. Now you have AI literacy skills. Now you can use generative AI tools like say Google Gemini to get answers directly.
So in promoting AI literacy, we promote it under the heading of information literacy. And we do that by showing students how to use databases and how to use different information research methods to understand the difference between traditional search as against searching when we use AI tools. The emphasis is to have them use AI to understand that it can help them with brainstorming. In so doing, we have to teach them how to use AI ethically, legally, and safely, meaning that they don't put personal information, meaning that they learn how to cite the information they use, teach them how to do prompt engineering. In addition to that, there are some opportunities. As librarians, we can lead AI instructions. We can collaborate with faculty members in the various departments through creating library guides for AI literacy in collaboration with them, focus on the topics and the areas that they want covered based on their subject matter. We can also generate more course-embedded library instructions with AI literacy, with the assistance and cooperation of those faculty members. Because what it does, it helps students to optimize brainstorming, and it helps them to understand that AI has to be used as a tool and not as a wizard to do the work for them.
All in all, the rise of generative AI is transforming our current library instruction at the different academic library settings. For librarians, there are a lot of transformative opportunities to create more creation and innovations. So the boom of generative AI tools are bridges to promote more AI-powered tools for academic librarians in the age of artificial intelligence. This is our 2 cents on the table to show what we are doing at the Georgia Southern University Libraries when we have to promote the AI literacy and the information literacy together. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. Any questions? Anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us I will be back to my office in a few minutes, but right now, this is the major references we used to create this presentation. Again, thank you so much for your time and attention. Really, really appreciate this opportunity. Really, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good, wonderful Friday.